Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change your username only for one server on Discord. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct version of Discord so that you will be able to do this. So once you're on your Discord, what you will have to do is go to the server where you want to change your name, your nickname or name. And once you're here, basically what you will have to do is you will click this button right here which says member list, and then go ahead and click your profile, and then what you will have to do is click edit profile, and then you will click edit per server profile, and then now that you're here, basically you will just have to set your server nickname as anything that you want. And then after you're done with your nickname, once you're satisfied, what you will have to do is just click save changes, and there you go, and your nickname will be visible here. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.